Hey my Goatie Gang, I'm here at Gourmet Buffet and Grill in Allentown with my good friend Sean Yeager. We're here to just see how much Chinese food we can eat. We each started off with 3 plates.
It's my first time here, so
yeah.
I'm excited.
It's a really good buffet, so
definitely let you guys know how it is along the way.
And Mr. Luke's here too. He can say hi. I think I'm going to start plate number 1 with
oh my God,
this food. This is, get my face out of it so it focuses. General Tso's with boneless spare ribs and imitation crab meat wrapped in bacon.
I got some baked fish, a little bit of veggie lo mein, and some shrimp. This is my first plate. Probably eat some sushi along the way.
What?
Some sushi.
I like sushi.
Look at these boneless spare ribs. They are absolutely massive.
I like the shrimp.
Luke liked the shrimp? I'll get you more of them. This General Tso's is absolutely amazing.
Close up of the sushi. Yeah, that's better. See the salmon? Just a salmon piece of sushi.
Alright, this plate, I got dim sum, a spring roll, an egg roll, 2 egg tarts, which are amazing, fried wonton, 3 crab rangoons, these spinach bundles, 2 stuffed mushrooms, and that looks like it. But lots of fried stuff.
Spinach bundles. What do they look like?
They're like,
yeah.
They're like little crescent rolls wrapped around cream spinach. Really good.
I got my hibachi plate. Got some lo mein in there, tons of veggies, a little bit of chicken and shrimp.
I was going to ask you what that was. It looks awesome.
Yeah.
You just pick a bunch of stuff and he just...
Yeah, and they got all kinds of sauces. I like it spicy, so.
Spinach wrap bundles, whatever you want to call them, are really good. Egg rolls are really good. Dumpling's really good.
Yeah, that water is ice cold.
The water's ice cold.
Yeah, mine is.
Alright, working on my sushi plate now. I got you shrimp with mac and cheese, and then I got you these 2 desserts, a Rice Krispie treat.
Chopsticks. Alright guys, I just got 2 more plates. One is mostly salad. The other's got some General Tso's chicken, some Brussels sprouts, and some chicken and broccoli. Josh is going to be back with his extra plates right now.
I got plate 4 and 5 here.
Yeah, maybe.
Luke, stop. I got some mac and cheese, some pizza, and some more repeats, and I added a plantain, fried plantain or something, and a Chinese donut and some lo mein.
The pizza's really good.
And then my next plate is watermelon, some more sushi, some stuffed shrimp, another egg tart, and that's about it. The sweet plantain is good. Nothing beats a Chinese donut. It's so good. Got some lo mein noodles. Alright, I got a bunch of fruit pudding and whatnots, and a bunch of desserts. I got some of the mochi.
Mochi mousse?
It's like mousse. It's like a mousse. I think it's called mochi. A Rice Krispie treat, an Oreo chocolate cake, brownie, and some cream puffs. Oh, and an almond cookie. I love the almond cookies. I'm gonna try this this airy thingy. Ooh. It's like a rice cake. The watermelon's nice and fresh.
Don't get the cream pastry puffs here, folks.
Yeah, it's hit or miss on the pastries. Well, the puffs, the cream puffs. This chocolate cake is nice.
Yeah, when I get ice cream, I get that. Put it in with the ice cream. There you go.
So this is one of your first times you're going to see one of the weird things I do. I do General Tso's chicken with vanilla ice cream. It's actually the spicy and the sweet go together very well, and I just like it. It's awesome. So if you're ever at a Chinese buffet, try it out. It's definitely interesting. It usually works better with soft serve.
Maybe next time I'll try it. I have to help out your dad, Luke. Finish all that ice cream.
Alright, let's see what I can do here. So let's finish this last plate of ice cream and call it.
Like a cookies and cream, cotton candy, strawberry. Probably doesn't taste like ice cream anymore.
I'm not even paying attention to the flavor anymore.
It's like something the dentist would give you to rinse out with. There it is.
All right, guys. Well, we've been here for like 2 hours. I ate just under 8 pounds. Sean ate 8.5.
8.7.
8.7, over half. Almost 9 pounds. Good job, Sean. Gourmet Buffet and Grill is quite good. What was your experience?
Oh yeah, it was really good. Better than the standard local one I go to usually. Sushi really good, ice cream really good, and the hibachi was good too.
The price is $8.99 for lunch. It's a steal. My son was only $2.90. If you're in the Allentown area and you're hungry for some Chinese buffet, stop by for Gourmet Buffet and Grill. Highly recommend it.
Yeah, awesome.
Thanks for checking out our video, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe and like, and the goat is out.
I just zone out and just put it in my mouth.